Hi everybody, welcome back to Tinker Gamer Hacker Maker. Today we're going to be unboxing the Arduino Uno starter kit from Elegoo, and this is the Super Starter Kit Uno R3 project. I really just wanted to try out microcontrollers and get into it. Something I always wanted to do and never really had gotten a chance to get around to it, and I figured this is something we can do together. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's in the kit. Okay, so here's the kit. I did take the CD out of it already, because who has a CD-ROM drive? So I took a look through it. It's just really the basic instructions and everything you need to get started. But all the information is available on their website as well. And they had a little thank you card. One of the first things you'll recognize, it has a parts list here in the lid. Actually very helpful. Helpful in identifying everything. And then let's start going through the little bits and bobs in here. Alright. First things first, we have the LCD module. We'll go ahead and put that right there. A USB cable for connecting to the device. We have our jumper wires. The 9-volt battery and 9-volt battery adapter. Itty bitty little fan blade for the motor. A small stepper motor. Another small motor. This one would attach to the fan blade. This is a prototype shield, and it comes with an optional breadboard here you can put on there. Alright. This is the stepper motor driver. So this is actually what we'll use to drive that stepper motor. And I'll just start throwing things. Here we have a temperature and humidity sensor. And we'll just slide this out of view so we have some more room. The power supply module. That actually does fit on the breadboard, kind of like so. Female to male DuPont wires. Ultrasonic sensor. A 5-volt relay. A potentiometer, which is just a little dial that you can turn. A 4-digit 7-segment display. A single-digit 7-segment display. An IR receiver. A servo motor. Various assorted resistors. A handy dandy IR remote. Goes along with our IR receiver. A plethora of LEDs. This is actually the 2-part component. It's a little joystick. Go ahead and put that right there. And this is a combination of a couple things. We have a IC chip, an L29 3D chip, a passive buzzer, a tilt ball switch, and it looks like an NPN transistor in this one. Yep. And we have some buttons and photo resistors or photo cells. It's kind of like the ones that I've seen on dimmable lights, where they have the little sensor when you walk into it, shut a light off and turns the light off in the room. And of course, finally, our small Arduino board, our little Elegoo R3, right there. Hi and welcome back. So that is the Arduino starter kit that I picked up. I should say it's an Arduino compatible starter kit. It's going to be kind of an adventure into microcontrollers, so stay tuned for going through each of the lessons and let's learn this together. And as always, you can stay tuned for more awesome content from Ticker Gamer Hacker Maker.